Hi Lali, you are always doing your household works only. When will you take care of yourself?
But what to do? I am spending more money buying international products, but still it's not effective and also it's not saving my time. I'm not able to take care of myself.
So I have one solution for you. I have one friend. I'll introduce her. She will give you solution for your all issues.
Thank
Let's
you. That
go.
will be a great thing.
Hi, welcome to Victory Vibes. I am Satyavati Barla. I am into making of business videos. I am gonna refer Lalita to help Lali. Hey Lalita, she is my friend Lali. You have to help her with the daily routine skincare.
Hi Satya. Hi Andy. Hi. Definitely I can help you in this. We have a wide range of products and eco-friendly, budget-friendly and bio-safe products. No harsh chemicals. These are Indian products with international quality.
Oh.
You will be very happy with these products.
Okay,
Thank
so
you.
great.
Thanks to Modi Care,
We
we
recommend
recommend
Lalita.
Lalita.
With media partner
Wins business.